What's up, guys? Steve here from Cut Break NL. We're getting ready for 6-box mini break number 812. 812, we're going to go ahead and get our teams done. Here's your lineup. We're live in about 10 minutes, as soon as this video is done. Alive, good luck. Here is the time, 10:42. Paula down to Rhonda, and Anaheim to Winnipeg. We got Minnesota and Vegas doubled up just because Vegas is only here for one box. 1, 2, 3. Timestamp. Timestamp on number 3. 10:42. 10:42. Last and final. Last and final timestamp on teams. 10:42. Just turned 10:43. Minnesota Vegas ended up on top to LA. Mini Vegas to LA. Winnipeg to Arizona. There's teams. 10:43 on the clock. Paula, Rhonda, 1, 2, 3. Timestamp. 10:43. 10:43. Last and final. Fourth and final timestamp. 10:43. 10:43. Ferno, top spot, man. You love that Minnesota, don't you? To Jarvis. And then we got Ryan to Mr. Sanford. Here's your teams, folks. We're going to paste them in the comments. We'll see you shortly in about 5 minutes.